What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the no audio device installed or found error you are getting on your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, we will make sure the Windows audio service is running as intended. In your Start menu, search for Services and hit Enter. Click anywhere inside the list to activate the pane, and press the letter W to instantly pinpoint to services starting with W. Find the service named Windows Audio and right-click to enter its properties. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic and that the service is running. After that, hit Apply and click OK. With that done, press the letter R to find and locate the service named Realtek Audio Universal Service. Just like before, right-click the service to access its properties. And make sure the startup type is set to automatic and that the service is running. Hit Apply and click OK. See if enabling these two services fixed the issue. If that didn't work, there's no need to worry. It could be that Windows has rolled out new driver updates for your PC components and that the existing driver versions are no longer supported. To verify this, search for Settings in your Start menu and navigate to your Windows Update settings. Click on Advanced Options, and under Additional Options, you will find the Optional Update section. Click to expand it and see if any updates are available. Proceed to download them, especially if you see an update related to your system's audio. Once the update is installed, restart your PC and see if this resolves the error. In case the problem persists, search for Device Manager in your Start menu search to open it up. On this window, expand the Audio Inputs and Output section. Right-click your preferred audio output device if it's listed here and select Update Driver. Next, select Search automatically for updated driver software and wait a moment to make sure your audio output device is running the latest driver. In case your device is disabled in your Device Manager, then select the Enable Device option. If your device is not showing up in the list, then make sure it's properly connected. Switch your USB ports or redo the Bluetooth pairing to ensure it's properly connected to your PC. While still in the Device Manager, expand your sound, video and game controllers. Locate your system's audio device and proceed to update its driver. As before, make sure the device driver is not set to disabled. If it is disabled, you will see the Enable Device option. Enable the device and search for any driver updates. If the problem persists, we'll reinstall your system's audio device driver. Right-click your audio output device in your Device Manager and select to uninstall the device and proceed to restart your PC. This will make your system reinstall any missing drivers appropriately, and it will, in a lot of cases, fix the no audio device installed or found error you are getting on your Windows PC. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.